Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. Hope you're having a great day. So I'm going to show you how you can get your dock to look just like this. It's got curved edges, which kind of gives away the Mac or the iPad OS vibes, and I think that's very nice. So let me show you how you can do it. So what you want to do is you want to download an app from the Microsoft Store, and the app is called Rounded TV. You'll get this as your interface for when you load the app for the first time, and it's basically just telling you what's new to the app and essentially what the app's about. And if you want to read that, pause the video now and you can read it. But I'm going to play around on the right side with the toggles, which are completely customizable for however you would like your dock to end up looking. It is very quick to do, very easy, and obviously you don't want to do just that, which is get rid of the whole dock, but you can get rid of certain parts of the dock. You can cut out spaces of the dock. You can make it so that just the middle section appears, which I'm trying to do now. You can make curved edges, straight edges, slightly curved edges, and it's very easy. So if we go through the app itself, the app is called Rounded TB, like I mentioned before. You can get that off the Microsoft Store, and the key features are just controlling the taskbar, essentially the the bottom bar of your Windows laptop or desktop. There's certain features that are exclusive to Windows 11, and I'm guessing that essentially eventually the Windows will be unsupported. Windows 10 will be unsupported for the future. Um, but here we are. We go through this slide deck real quick. Um, so they've got a real minimalistic look. They've got the full bar at the bottom there with curved edges. Here they've got a massive chunk missing out the middle. With the left side being the dock, um, with the applications, and the right side being the volume and stuff. And they've basically got the same thing here, but on the bottom of the display as opposed to the top. And they've got this as a light grey colour as opposed to the black. Here is the same thing but a long bar across the top with the curved edges, which looks quite nice. And you can set it so that the right side just doesn't appear until you hover over the bottom with your mouse, which is quite cool. There are tons of features you can get your hands on using the Rounded TB app, and I think you should go check this app out to make your desktop have a different feel to it. I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, be sure to smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe for more content coming soon. Peace.